Do you know how to draw on a PDF file? Let's try the Graffiti function. It can make your notes on PDF more fancy. Open the PDF in WPS Office, get into the Comment tab, and click Graffiti. In its drop-down list, we can access quick settings of the ink mark, including line color, opacity, and line width. We can also use the shortcut keys Alt-R to open the settings window. Suppose that you need to mark continuous content. Follow these few steps. Click Draw Curve, then choose the yellow color, adjust the opacity to 40%, and set the line width as 8 points. Then you can mark in the PDF files, drawing on any place of the page. If you want to draw straight lines, click Line. If you want to enter comments in the right of the page, double-click Graffiti to pop up the Comments dialog. Click the first icon on the bottom right corner of the Comments dialog. Then you can reply to current comments. Besides, you can also click the second icon to access the Change Title and Hide Title and Time function. If you're not satisfied with the marks, you can use the eraser. Click All to clear all marks. Did you get it?